A simple API program is a process. A process is a sequence of code being executed, as well as all the supporting data structures. In order to support having two communication channels, execute things in parallel and not block some execution, you will need to use multiprocessing or threading capabilities. A process can contain one or more threads, and all threads in the same process share the memory map and open resources. Processes allow you to run independent programs at the same time that may not be specifically written to work with each other, and using threads saves memory and makes programming easier. In Python, the EReaderSignal object is not used in the TWS API. In this case, the queue class handles the task of notifying the user when a message is ready for processing in the queue. After the initial handshake, IV will return data that corresponds specifically to the logged in TWS user's session. This includes 1. The account numbers accessible in the TWS session, 2. The next valid order identifier or ID, and 3. The time of connection. The API program will start receiving events such as next valid ID and manage accounts. In TWS, not IV Gateway, if there is an active connection, there will also immediately be callbacks to eGrapper error callback and method, with error ID as -1. Error messages with error ID as -1 are not real errors. They will just confirm that a connection has been made successfully to the IV market data farms. IV Gateway by default will not make connections to market data farms until a request is made by the API client.